In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Tango Live. So Tango Live is a social live streaming community that can help you make friends on live video chat. So I have in here this particular document that can help us. To first download and set up your profile, and to earn money, you need to go live and engage. Broadcast your content to attract viewers, interact with your audience, and participate in duels wherein partner with other creators and start live streams that are essentially duels wherein your fans and their fans can watch, comment, and donate coins which converts to diamonds for you can earn diamonds and redeem them. So viewers purchase enough coins and send them as virtual gifts during your streams and duels. These gifts are converted into diamonds in your Tango account, wherein you can just get the money and add a withdrawal method to select an available withdrawal method such as Visa or bank transfer, and just follow the steps once you link your account. To maximize your earnings, you need to be consistent on going live or broadcasting, create engaging content, and check for any special bonuses. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.